The cloud is everywhere these days. It's on your phone, on your tablet, on your TV, even in your fridge. It's not surprising that a lot of small business owners like you get confused. So here is my take on the 5 most common cloud computing myths that small business owners like you need to know. Myth number 1. Files stored in the cloud are less secure than those stored in your office. It's natural to think this because you can see where the data is. The truth is, almost 80% of data loss is caused by human error. So the actual worry is your people, by malicious intent or accidentally deleting a file. Your people are the risk, not where your data is. Also, Google, Microsoft, Dropbox, etc. spend millions on encrypting your data, keeping it safe, making sure that you can do it. You can hold it and know that it's safe. In truth, it's a similar system to our bank accounts. You don't keep your money under the bed. You don't keep your money in a little box locked in a drawer in your cupboard. Well, at least I hope you don't. So why would we do that with the files that keep our businesses and our customers going? Myth number 2. If you store your data in the cloud, you no longer have control over it. The company who are looking after it for you have control and can do what they want with it. It's not true. If you look in the Google T's and C's, which they actually make very, very public because of this, they specifically state that the people who work for them have no access to your data. The only access they have is to make sure your data is safe, secure and available to you. So they can see that it's there and that you can get to it. They can't see into your files or see anything you're doing. And they're not allowed to do anything with it. Myth number 3. You're not currently using the cloud already in some form. Well, you are. You may not even realise it so much. Even if you use, say, an email system that is based on site and you have servers in your office and everything goes through, say, Outlook, for example. Not there's anything wrong with Outlook. The data still has to go from you to your customers. How does it do that? Over the internet. What is the internet? The cloud. What is the cloud? The internet. That's basically all it is. So if you're currently using email or you use social media or you share photos or anything like that, you're using the cloud. So you already are. And so why not take the next step and use it more productively? Myth number 4. The cloud is just for storing files as opposed to storing them locally. It's just a security blanket. No, that's not true at all. There are complete productivity suites like Google Apps for Work, Office 365, etc. that completely change the way you work. Because everything is based in the cloud, you no longer have to send files to each other. You no longer have to worry that the version of the spreadsheet you're working on is a different version to the one your colleague is working on. You and your clients can work together on them at the same time. It saves a lot of hassle, a lot of time, can save you money. The fact that they've also integrate things like video conferencing, things like that, can save you travel time and all that. There is so much. You can actually completely change the way your business operates by adopting a cloud-first mentality. Myth number 5 is that once you move to the cloud, you no longer need IT support. Sadly, this isn't true. Computers that you're working on still fail. Now, admittedly, if your computer fails and you're using a complete cloud system, you can grab another computer or a tablet or a phone and carry on working. But you still need that computer fixing. You still need training. You still need advice and guidance on what to do in the future. People still make mistakes. People accidentally delete things, accidentally break things. You still need IT support. What you do need is that to make sure that your current IT guy, when you move to the cloud, has the skills to change as well, because it requires a different mindset from your IT provider as well as you. The last thing I would say on this myth is that if your IT guy should change the way he charges you. A lot of people are charged per device. So now if you've got 5 computers in your office, you'll get charged a set amount per computer. Once you move to the cloud, because you're no longer reliant on each device, your IT provider should start charging you per person, not per device. So you can use as many devices as you want per person. It may be a bit more in your incremental cost, but it works out the same in the end. But just make sure your IT guy is aware of the new changes, as well as you being aware of the new changes. Well, there you have 5 answers to the most common cloud myths that I know, with a focus on small business owners like you. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up, and also feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like a copy of the free ebook that goes along with this video series, also click the link down below and that'll be there for you. Thanks very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. I'm Goggin from Innovo Consulting, and I hope to see you soon.